National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to the Rio Grande River about 20 nautical miles. Waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to the Rio Grande River from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Lake Guanamadre from the port of Brownsville to the Arroyo, Colorado. Lake Guanamadre from the Arroyo Colorado to 5 nautical miles north of Port Mansfield, Texas. Coastal waters from Bethany Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Bethany Bay to Port Mansfield, Texas from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Until 6:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:42 a.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a strong thunderstorms with wind gusts of 34 knots or greater, 44 miles east of Laguna Madre, moving east at 5 knots. Strong thunderstorms can produce water spots with little or no advance warning. Seek safety immediately. Wind gusts to 45 knots will occur, producing very high waves. If at sea, go below deck until the storm has passed. Others should remain in port. Please report water spots or final clouds, winds of 34 knots or higher, hail the size of pennies or larger, and any vessel damage to your National Weather Service in Brownsville by calling 956-504-1432.
The ability to build a portfolio from the ground up. One of the best teachers in the world at Goldman Sachs. One of the great hedge fund managers of our time, Lee Cooper. Lee Cooper was the research director at Goldman, and he put on investing.
Protected until 5:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
But you know who I really learned from? My customers. Chiefly. Individuals can and do beat the market quite